and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about split functionality of a string. So let us understand what is known as split. It is used to divide a string into pieces. As we can understand the meaning of a split, that means split out something or splitting something into pieces. So we have a complete string and we are going to divide it, or we are going to break it into number of pieces. That is done by split. This method returns the number of words in the string by using a separator in the form of a list. So we have a complete string. For example, we have a sentence and now I want to divide the sentence in different words. So I'm going to get different words having comma separator in between in the form of a list. Moreover, we can define the number of maximum splits in a string also. That means in how many number of parts do I want to split my string, that also I can decide. Separator or delimiter can also be set. So how and from where I want to split my string, that also can be decided. A particular point of breaking down a string can be decided. Otherwise, white spaces are the default separator. So if we are not deciding the separator or the delimiter in our string pattern, then the white spaces will be considered as the default separator. So what is the syntax of writing it? str1.split. So str is the name of a variable which is holding a string which I am going to split out. And inside my split function, we have two parameters, separator or a delimiter. That means from which point I want to break down my string, and maximum number of divisions I'm going to make in my string. So let us understand this concept with the help of practical. So let's say I'm writing A is equal to 22 March 2009. So this is a kind of date of birth. Now I want to display it into different parts. Like 22 should be separate, March should be separate, and 2009 should be separately displayed. So what can I write? A dot split in the bracket. Now what is my separator over here? Hyphen. That means wherever this hyphen will occur, it should break down into pieces, right? And I'm not deciding that in how many number of pieces I'm going to divide my string. So I'll get the result in this way. Now 22 has become one string, March has become another string, and 2009 has become another string. And earlier it was together a single string. So this is how we split a string into different strings. And if we talk about join operation, which we have learned in our previous video, join operation joins the different substring to make a single string. So this is just an opposite operation of join, and it is returning me the number of words separately. Another example we can take, like if I say A is equal to, this is a cold coffee cup and the coffee is very tasty, right? So this is my string, and if I write A dot split, and I'm not going to pass anything inside my split function. So what will happen? As we have discussed, if the separator or the delimiter is not decided, then white spaces are the default separator. Now if I press enter, I'll get this particular list where each and every word has become a string. And these all substrings, or we can say the strings, are displayed with the help of comma separator and in the form of a list. As you can see, the square brackets are there around this string. So this is how a split function works without a separator or a delimiter. Now we are going to talk about the max split, the another parameter of my split function. So take an example of the same string, but I'm going to write it in this way. Split, this is a space, comma, 3. That means maximum number of 3 divisions should be made out of the complete string. So once I press enter, it will be divided in this way. This is 1, 2, and 3. And rest is the remaining string which is not divided further. So my 3 splits are done over here. This is A. And rest remaining part is also displayed in the form of a complete string together. Till here till end. From here till end. Right? Okay. If I say, let's say I'm writing space, comma, 5. Then it will be divided in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 parts have become the string, separate string, and rest remaining part is displayed here. So this is the benefit of max split, that in how many number of parts you want to divide your string, that also we can decide. Now, we have learned about either the space or a particular symbol of a separator. But if I want to split my string from a particular character, can I do it? Yes, of course I can do it. How? Take the same example and I'm going to write a dot split is. That means wherever the is word will occur, the string will get split down into different parts. So once I press enter, I'll get this particular string. So let's observe it. TH, because as we have learned that string is a collection of characters, not words, right? So IS is counted as collection of characters. So this word is also containing the combination of IS. That's why the first split has been done here. TH. After that, we have is, which is again split down. After that, a called coffee cup, and the coffee is very tasty. So again, here the partition has taken place. So wherever IS has occurred into my string, the partition has been made. Similarly, in the same example, if I say 2, then it will be done in this way. That means only first 2 partitions will be done and rest of the string will be displayed in this way. As you can see, in my remaining string is there, but because I have written 2 as a max split, so it is not divided. Only first 2 partitions are made. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Keep practicing, keep watching. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.